Hello, my name is Nathan. Today my mom's going to be helping me plant a tomato. It's my first YouTube video, so please wish me good luck. And if you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe. The first step to plant the best tomato seed, you're going to need to use these Jiffy pots and then some hot water. It should be opened and you're gonna pour the water inside. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So now after we put the hot water, we'll let them expand and we'll put the seed in. But first, we need to let them cool off a little. So now it's expanded. We're gonna make a little hole in it. And then we're gonna put the seed in. And then we're gonna plant Costco cherry tomatoes. But when you put them into the soil, don't put them that deep or they won't grow well. So you're gonna take one. And you're gonna put it in, one. There you go. And then I think you cover them up. And then after you're done, you just cover them up with the soil that you put it. Then now we're gonna do the zinnias. So there's still holes in there, and then you're gonna cover it up like we did with the Costco tomatoes. And then we're gonna go like that. And don't forget to label your flowers. Now I'm gonna label these three. Then make sure if you're sticking them on the counter or something, make sure it doesn't rip. So then you're gonna cover them with dome, but before you cover them with the dome, off screen, we just put a little bit of hot water on them so they germinate a little bit. Then after you're done, you're gonna cover it with the dome. And then you're gonna put it under, if your mom or dad has grow lights, you're gonna put it under the grow lights and let it grow. And then you make sure you check on them every day and give them lots of love. And then when it germinates a little bit, it's gonna look like this. And then soon, in a couple weeks, it's gonna look like this. I hope you like this video. If your cherry tomatoes are as good as mine, don't forget to comment and tell me if they were good.